Oh, I guess I'm the idiot here. Oh, I started recording, by the way. Yo, 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 it's Super
Mom is
Handful.
dead.
Welcome to the House of Lag.
Ugh.
JK, it's just me. Oh god,
Yeah,
what's on the bottom of my controller? That looks like semen.
200 and oh, that's because I'm uploading fucking mom.
Oh, we both have some pretty high ping. Oh
Okay, I
god.
have to cancel this. I can't pause the uploaded drive. It's so bad. Whatever. Whatever.
What is on the bottom of my controller? That's gross.
These guys. These guys suck.
So your ping's 264, my ping's 260. This is gonna be fun. But if it'll make the upload go fast, we can play something else until it finishes. But how large is the thing you're uploading?
400 megabytes.
Oh. How long has it been uploading?
Past like 30 minutes.
It takes you over 30 minutes to upload 400 megabytes?
Oh shoot, wait, why did I hit it that way?
Yeah, I was wondering why you did that. Ben, how bad is your internet?
Pretty shitty.
Oh god.
When you ask
Man.
how bad, I answer with shitty.
Oh, okay.
Hey dude,
And
stop liking.
Kai has like some pretty bad internet, but when he's downloading Rocket League, he's getting like 4 megabytes per second. I was like, what the crap? I get 2. Ben gets 1 on a good day. Oh crap!
Xander!
I was trying to hit it away, and I got the bad angle on it. Oops. But yeah, you get 1 megabyte download on a good day.
On a good day,
Yeah.
on a better day, it's 1.1.
Oh, oh, that's the interesting sound I just made there. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, oh, yeah. 1.1 megabyte. Oh,
What?
yeah. Goodness, no, hold it up, bro. I am a Japanese man.
See, I was about to not upload this because we're like losing by a lot,
No.
but maybe I will now, just because of that.
Oh, okay. No. Use vagina.
No, you.
Hey, come on, get out of here with your stanky vagina. Well, I'm saying vagina a lot, aren't I funny?
Yeah, bro, you're hilarious.
Kid, like, get dead.
Oh, I died. What? It didn't even look like he hit me. It looked like I just slammed the wall and just kind of died. Like right when I hit the wall, I blew up.
Come on, guys.
See, you like lagged in front of me. And then I somehow magically hit you.
I thought I hit that into you. Come on, you bounce off the. No.
I blame the lag for our loss.
Yo, these guys straight up, dude. Come on. Come on, get in the goal.
Oh, the boater hit that. I almost hit you. Oh god, look at this, I almost hit you. If I jumped sooner, I would have hit you.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, you didn't go for it, so I had to, you dang guy. Oh god, this lag is so bad. Why am I getting lag? I'm not uploading anything.
I'm not either, and I'm still getting like.
Wait, the thing finished?
No, I just canceled it.
Oh, you canceled it, okay.
I mean, I'll have it uploaded tonight. Probably have to leave my computer.
I mean, we can not play this if it'll then upload faster.
But video games.
But Sony Vegas. Yeah, I don't have
Look at
time
that
to.
fucking sexual.
I don't have time to edit tomorrow. I kind of have to go to school tomorrow.
Oh, you're dead. No, controller. Can you hear me still?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Can you still hear me?
No.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
yes, I can hear you.
Oh shit. Ah! You just fucking against the wall.
Did I just do the inhale thing again?
Oh no! Shit.
Oh god, oh, what? That was interesting lag.
No, hey, go back.
That was some very interesting lag.
Did you see? Did you see me? I just fucking missed it. I just flew backwards trying to get it. And I just missed it.
Did
Wait,
you
let me
see
get
me
it.
miss it?
Did you see me miss it? Oh!
Oh god, what was that sound you just made? Oh
Oh.
god.
I just tapped you from behind.
That sound you made reminds me of a video I watched today.
Okay, Zach. Oh, very cool. Oh no! God damn, you fucking jam cut. God damn it, Billy, you fucking jam cut.
Oh no!
No! Hey, no!
You weren't even close to saving that.
I was on my screen, I was right by the ball.
Not on my screen.
No,
Or on the
my
replay.
screen.
Never thought I'd hear you say not on my screen. That's my
Yeah,
catchphrase,
well.
you dang guy.
Well, times have changed. Ah!
Yeah, like you
got-
getting blown up.
I just got pooped
Just got nay-nayed.
Just got pooped on by this guy's grandma. Hey!
Oh!
Hey! Look at that.
Theoretically, I could just upload the raw footage from a video, right?
Do it.
I mean, the video with Zak wasn't actually... There was nothing I wanted to cut out. Like, everything must be
How long is
included.
the video?
Like 14 minutes.
Oh, yeah, no, just leave it. Just leave it as is.
Although the first one is roughly 20 minutes. But if I cut out the first minute and a half, yeah, then it's 18 something.
Now just leave it as is, to be honest.
For the one with Zak.
Well, leave it as is, and then I'll like watch it, and then I mean I could download it, or I could download it and edit it for each one.
Nah, I'm gonna edit it. Get out of here.
Oh, dang.
Get out of my house. But thanks for the
Crying
offer.
my-
But get out of my
crying
house.
offer.
Well, I was doing a bunch of 1v1s over the past like 3 days. And I realized how bad I am, and also how much better I am than a lot of other people. Because I was getting annihilated like 8-1 or 8-2, but I was beating people like 7-1, 7-2, or like making people just kind of forfeit a little bit. Because I was winning by like 8, you know.
Nice.
At one point, I was playing this one guy, and I was beating him 6-0, so he forfeited. 2 games later, I had to play him again. And we actually went to overtime. We ended up going to overtime, and I beat him 4-3, and I was like, wait, you weren't this good 2 games ago. Where'd this come from?
The beat.
Oh,
I'm riding Jeopardy. It's definitely.
Oh, they almost got a really good bounce there.
Yeah, well, they didn't. They sucked. Jane. They sucked the Jane. I guess I'm saying the Jane.
Yeah, why are you saying that so much, Ben? You've been around Gina too much. You haven't been saying it, therefore you must say it more.
Yes, exactly.
Logic.
That's how it works.
I am a skilled person in logic. Relatively speaking. Compared to everyone else in my grade, or most other people in my grade.
Murderous genocide. Conquer and just to divide.
That previous statement may or may not be false. You know. Just throwing that disclaimer in there.
So what statement? What?
Don't worry about it. Oh, I was about to tell you to center it, and then they kind of got it over the other side.
That kind of happened.
Oh, I saw this Captain Daddy guy, and I thought it said Captain Luke Doman on it.
Captain.
Captain Luke Doman, because I saw the D. So I thought it said Captain. Yeah, Captain Luke Doman. Oh, Luke goes to Rochester this year. Didn't go last year like a dang guy. Although Max isn't going, what a dang guy.
I don't know, it's kind of weird.
No, oh!
Backwards.
Dang it. I hit it like too late, and it didn't quite do what I wanted it to do.
That's why you hit it earlier.
No, you. That's why you center it better, Ben.
That's why your mom...
Finish the sentence, Ben.
I did.
Oh, okay. Ah, you landed on me, you dang guy. What are the odds of you landing on me?
20 and 7.
Sure. No, I was about to hit that, you dang guy. Why'd you hit it? Oh.
Because I'm...
Bad?
No!
Oh, I was also about to hit that, you know.
Yeah, I know. So,
Yeah, I know you did.
looking ass out of here.
I was about to hit that too.
Xander, you need to stop about hitting it.
You're like,
oh,
you're
nice
welcome.
save, Xander. Oh, shoot.
Ah, you hit me again.
I know. I'm not even really trying. I'm just kind of like... Okay.
You're just kind of like, yeah, alright.
Just kind of like, yeah.
Alright. And I just hit my
No,
head.
no, don't go that way, damn it.
Nah, oh. I was not even close to saving that. Captain Daddy is a great name. Why does it say Jew in front of his name?
What?
Like it says Jew, Captain Daddy.
Jew. Oh, he's
That's interesting. Not that I have a problem with Jews.
Okay, Xander.
Ah. Well, dang.
You just flew over my head. Oh. What a save.
Hey, did I fly over you? Oh, I did. Didn't even come close to saving that. That was great.
You got there. No. Fuck. Oh, shoot.
They barely hit it. What a play.
Murder genocide. Urban justified.
Yeah, bro.
You need to stop hitting.
Ah.
Oh!
Ah, no. Boo. I was about to go coast to coast with that ball.
60 seconds left on the clock.
Oh, shit.
Didn't quite get full contact on that ball like I wanted to, but that's what she said.
Xander. You're dead. Hey.
Boom! We can score. And the other guy lost connection, bro. We can win. There's only one guy. We can win, bro.
We get it.
Boop.
Easier than taking candy from a mug.
What? What? What are you laughing? What?
Easier than taking candy from a Mormon. That's what I said.
Oh, I wasn't listening. Interesting.
Come on, score, Xander. No.
No, you.
Okay.
Or he can score, you know.
Thanks.
And we about to win. Wait, we should just let him score so we can go to overtime.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm joking. Unless you actually want to do that. Let's score and we go to overtime?
I
Oh,
want to give him a fair chance to put that in. Let him hit it. Don't even. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
okay. Watch him score. Like, that's the last second.
Oh, yeah, that's going to happen.
I like how I'm just driving away casually from the goal. I got it.
No, I missed it. But it was.
Nope.
Yeah, you get it.
Okay. Oh, boo you, Captain Daddy. Oh, I thought he was about to hit that. Yeah, I missed. It's fine.
Okay.
Hot loser.
I literally hit it right
Yeah, why is he sitting there? He could have saved that. Hot loser.
Okay, Xander.
What?
Okay, Xander.
What?
Kitty.
No, you.
Exit the building.
Ladies and gentlemen, Elvis has just left the building. Go to a game, you dang guy. Ben.
Alright.
Is it weird if I just noticed the right stick to hide scoreboard thing in the bottom corner? Bottom left corner?
Yes.
Oh. Well, dang. Although I don't know what it says on your screen. It says RS on mine. What's your right stick called? Like when you push it. Yeah. When you push it, what's it called?
I don't know.
What's that button called?
Called the button, no button.
Don't you know what the button's called?
Nope.
You don't know what your own buttons are called?
No.
What's wrong with you? And your car looks really cool.
Thank you.
Do you like my car? I changed my flag back to the Canadian flag too.
You fucking.
Oh wait, did I play with you when it was set on the Egypt flag?
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. When I was playing with Kai and this other guy, David, who lives in Nebraska. He's got a farm because he lives in Nebraska. And Kai wanted to set his flag to Palestine, and David set his flag to Israel. So they're like, "Hey, Xander, set your flag to Egypt," and so I did.
Huh. Better get out.
That was kind of an
Yeah,
anticlimactic story, but
Oh no! What? Hey,
Ben,
set
why'd
it
you
to
block
Egypt,
my
so I
shot?
did.
And I just killed a man.
I didn't block your shot.
Yeah, you totally did, Ben. I saw it. Totally saw you block it.
Right there, just on the side.
Oh dang, that was good. Prochasm, that's a great name.
Big Bird.
Big Bird 96.
Big Bird. Big Bird.
Bro, have you no chill?
Oh god. I really hope I hit the right button when I was trying to record.
This part's
Oh god. You know you laugh so hard you cry and then your eyes start to burn? Oh god. Now I can't see because my eyes are burning.
Big Bird.
It really wasn't that funny. Hey, you stole my boost. Ah!
Big Bird.
I think the randomness of you saying that. I didn't even realize his name was Big Bird. I was like, wait, why did he say Big Bird? For a second, I was like, wait, what? Why did you just say Big Bird? And then I looked at the thing and I thought his name was Big Bird. No.
Big Bird.
We can still win. It's fine.
Oh, Big Bird. Oh, Big Bird.
Oop. I'm sorry. Hey, you stole my boost again.
Okay, you stole my ass.
No, you're not wrong. Why'd you just kill a man?
I could just kill a man.
Mama just killed a man. Put a gun against his head. Pulled my trigger and now he's dead. Mama. I don't remember the rest of the song. It's fine.
Mama. Big Bird.
Big Bird.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get up.
What?
I'm just gonna leave.
No, don't leave me, Ben.
Just leave.
Don't leave me.
I'm gonna get up after this game.
Okay, fair enough. And then finish uploading Sony Vegas.
Yeah.
For which I will use to edit this video.
Sure.
Did I just do the inhale thing again? Oh, okay. Why is Big Bird pushing it towards his own net?
I do.
Oh god. But I double jumped, why didn't that do anything?
Why is Big Bird? Why is Big Bird pushing it towards his own net?
It's a good question. Ah! Rear end me, you dang guy.
Give you a boost.
Bennett center, get it. Oh, what? Big Bird, you dang guy.
30 seconds left.
Wait.
Oh, I was gonna hit that. You didn't even hit it towards the net, you dang guy. And I just double jumped and it didn't do the flippy thingy. Oh god, and now I'm getting 988 ping. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh god.
I think Big Bird is a sound.
Oh Jesus. Oh my god. Oh god. I don't know what's happening. Good thing. Oh! That's a great name. And now my video will be demonetized. It's fun.
Big Bird.
Man, playing Rocket League
I'm
whilst laughing really hard is not easy.
Good
Bro, wait. We gotta do an outro, bro.
See you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my Minecraft channel at Your Mama. Well, yeah, I said Your Mama.
The Big Benny Boy 69 on
Alright, I'm
YouTube.
gonna die.
You know how it be sometimes.
Big Bird.